In a world where security and defense are paramount, innovation becomes the cornerstone of protection. Welcome to the realm of Akash missile system, a technological marvel that stands as India's seal in the sky. The Akash missile system, developed by DRDO and produced by BDL, stands as India's formidable medium-range surface-to-air missile. With a range of 45 kilometers, it effectively neutralizes a wide spectrum of aerial threats, including fighter jets, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. Deployed within the Indian Army and Air Force, Akash symbolizes India's commitment to robust air defense. An Akash battery comprises one Rajendra 3D passive electronically scanned array radar and 4 launchers, each equipped with 3 missiles and interconnected, capable of tracking up to 64 targets and engaging 12 simultaneously. The missile carries a 60 kg high explosive warhead with a proximity fuse. This mobile system safeguards moving vehicle convoys integrated with wheeled or tracked vehicles. Designed for air defense, it has also undergone tests for missile defense roles. A single Akash missile has a 88% probability of kill. Two missiles can be fired 5 seconds apart to raise the probability of kill to 98.5%. Communications between the various vehicles are a combination of wireless and wired link. The entire system is designed to set up quickly and to be highly mobile for survivability. The Akash system can be deployed by rail, road or air. Akash is a surface-to-air missile with an intercept range of 25 km. It has a launch weight of 720 kg, a diameter of 32 cm and a length of 5.78 meters. Akash flies at supersonic speed, reaching around Mach 2.5. It can reach an altitude of 20 km and can be fired from both tracked and wheeled platforms. An on-board guidance system coupled with an actuator system makes the missile maneuverable up to 15 G load and tail change capability for end-game engagement. A digital proximity fuse is coupled with 55 kg pre-fragmented warhead, while the safety arming detonation mechanism enables a controlled detonation sequence. A self-destruct device is also integrated. It is propelled by an integrated ramjet rocket engine. The engine of ramjet propulsion system enables sustained speed without deceleration throughout its flight. The missile has command guidance in its entire flight. The design of missile is somewhat similar to that SA-6 with 4 long tube ramjet inlet duct mounted mid-body between wings. For pitch or yaw control, 4 clipped triangular moving wings are mounted on mid-body. For roll control, 4 inline clipped delta wings with ailerons are mounted before the tail. However, the internal schematic shows a different layout with an onboard digital computer. The Akash carries an onboard proximity fuse. The Akash utilizes an integrated ramjet rocket propulsion, which after initial rocket motor burnout provides sustained thrust for the missile throughout its flight until interception. The missile is guided by field array fire control radar called Rajendra, which is turned at battery level radar (BLR) with a tracking range of about 60 km. The radar have advanced ECCMP. The radar derivative of BMP-2 chassis and to be used by Indian Air Force is known as battery level radar 2, whereas for Army is based on T-72 chassis and is known as battery level radar 3. There was demand from Indian Armed Forces for a missile with a seeker that can target inbound targets more accurately, for which the DRDO offered an upgraded Akash with an indigenous seeker named Akash 1S. DRDO tested Akash 1S on 25th May and 27th May 2019 with a strike range of 30 km that has capability to carry warhead of 60 kg from integrated test range Chandipur, Odisha, with the overall performance of indigenous seeker and guidance system consistently established during the period. It supports the combination of both command and active terminal seeker. On 27th September 2021, DRDO test fired a new version of missile called Akash Prime. It intercepted and destroyed an unmanned aerial target mimicking enemy aircraft in its maiden flight. Akash Prime is based on existing Akash SAM The missile is equipped with an improved active radio frequency RF seeker. To further increase the accuracy, Akash Prime is also optimized for low temperature and high altitude operation with modified ground system. The improved RF seeker has 360-degree engagement capability. Akash Prime consists of long-range surveillance radar, a target and missile tracking radar, a troop control center, and a launcher. A successor missile with a new design, Akash New Generation, abbreviated as Akash NG, was approved in September 2016 with a funding of 470 crore, equivalent to 676 crore or $85 million in 2023. To succeed Akash and Akash 1S with improved capabilities, Akash NG will have an improved reaction time and higher level of protection against saturation attacks. The second stage uses dual pulse solid rocket motor, which is lighter instead of air-breathing solid ramjet engine. To increase the overall range from current 40 km to 70 km, and active electronically scanned multifunctional radar and optical proximity fuse. On December 12, 2023, India demonstrated the firepower of indigenous Akash missile system at Sri Lanka Air Force Station, where 4 targets, unmanned aerial targets, were engaged simultaneously by a single Akash firing unit.